Hey ladies, it's Deanna from thelivefitgirls.com, and today we are doing a full body 15-minute HIIT workout. All you need for this is a set of dumbbells. I would say kind of like a medium set here. This workout is part of my app, The Fitness Collective, that has over 150 full-length exclusive workouts just for you. And if you like this workout, you will love the app. So I've included a 2-week free trial down below just for you. So make sure you check that out. This little series is a quick 15-minute series that we're doing on the blog and in the app just for you to show you that you can get an amazing workout in just a short period of time. Let's get started with a warm-up. Come on down and do a plank for me. Hands right underneath those shoulders. Step those feet out and just get those abs nice and tight. Engage your core here. Big inhales and exhales, 30 seconds right here. Remember, look slightly forward, draw your abs in, engage your core, press the floor away, make sure you're not locked out at those elbows, squeeze those glutes, everything here. Hold it. We're gonna hold it for 3, 2, 1, and down. Whew. All right, little warm up for those legs here. A little clamshells just to engage the booty cheeks here. You can lay your head down or stack it on your hand, whatever feels more comfortable. Knees bent, about 90 degrees, and then lift that top knee up and down. Really squeeze to lift and down. Lift and down. So we just have 3 exercises today in this workout, but we're gonna be moving fast and we're gonna get it all done in about 15 minutes. So just proving that we can get an amazing workout in a short period of time. We don't have to be in the gym for an hour. We just need to get targeted and focused on our workout. Got 5 more right here before we switch sides. 3 more. Core still tight here. 2. Last one, and down. Whew. Already feeling those booty cheeks, right? All right, same thing right here. Again, you can lay your head down or stack it on your hand, whatever's more comfortable, and then squeeze that booty to lift and then down. Now, core is still tight here, hips are stacked. You're lifting up from that bottom waistline. Really feel that rotation happening in that booty cheek. Everything is starting right at that hip. Rather than thinking of how high that knee can go, think more about how much you can squeeze that booty each and every repetition. Focus on that mind-body connection today. You've got it. Lift. Lift. 3. Come on, squeeze it for 2. 1, and down. Whew. All right. Let's get right into it. Again, 3 exercises, 3 sets of everything. We're gonna run right through it, super quick, get everything done in 15 minutes. We have jump squats first. You can take the jump out if you need to and do some speed squats. We've just got 15 right here. Are you ready? We'll start in 3, 2, 1, lift, jump. Get nice and high, land softly, power up through the backs of those legs, squeeze those glutes. Just for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Come on down, right in to some renegade rows with those weights. So you're gonna hold on to those weights, step those feet out, find a nice beautiful plank position. You're gonna row one arm up, down, and switch, 10 on each side. Core is strong here. Focus on the squeeze of the shoulder blade. As you bring it up, hips stay super steady. Core is so tight right here. Rib cage knit together, navel towards your spine. Look about 1 foot in front of those weights. You've got it. 2. 1 more each side. Lift and lift and down. Whew. Put 1 weight off to the side. Come on and lay on your back, and we're gonna get a little bit of core work in. Hold on to that weight. Right above you, we're gonna do roll-ups right here, pressing that weight straight up to the sky as you roll it up. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Full roll up and down. Press. We've got 15 right here. Strong through those shoulders. And down. And down. So again, this little series is just to prove that you can get amazing workouts in a short period of time if you're committed, if you're focused, and if you really target those muscles. Focus on that mind-body connection. Feel those abs to lift you up, those shoulders to stabilize. Feel those pelvic floor muscles, those low abs. 2. Last one. And down. Those shoulders and arms are feeling it. Right back into those jump squats. Are you ready? All right, let's do it. 15 right here. 3, 2, 1. Really power up. Squeeze those glutes. Use those arms to help you. Core strong. Shoulders away from those ears. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. And down, landing nice and softly each and every time. Come on. Let's go. Renegade rows again. 10 on each side. Here we go. Find your plank position. 3, 2, 1. Row, row. Hips are steady. Finding that core stability. Really row and squeeze the shoulder blade in the back. Neck in line with your spine. Look about a foot in front of those weights. No locked out arms here. 3 more each side. Come on. You got it, ladies. 2. Squeeze. Last one each side. Come on. Pull. Pull. And down. Those are amazing for total upper body. You get that back work in. You get biceps, plank, the whole thing right there. All right, hold on to that weight. One end in each hand. We go right up into that full roll up. Press that weight straight up to the sky in 3, 2, 1. Roll it up and then down. Really draw those abs in. Stabilize those shoulders. And if the weight does not work on this one for you, just get rid of it. But I know you're strong. I know you can do it. Really scoop the belly in. Feel every single bone in that spine. Hit that mat on the way down and on the way up. 5 more here. You can do it. Push. Here's 4. Shoulders away from those ears. 3. 2 more. Come on. 1 more. Draw those abs in tight as you come back down. Whew. Nice job there, ladies. We got 1 more set here. Take a big inhale. Long exhale. Let's get into it. Last round of everything here. We got those jump squats first. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Just 15. Push and power through. You can do anything. About 3 more minutes of work. You can do it. 3, 2, 1. And down onto the mat. Ooh, renegade rows. Those legs are getting shaky. All right, 10 on each side here. We row it up, really squeeze those shoulder blades. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Pull and pull. Again, the goal here is stability. Really focus on the core here. Squeeze those abs in as tight as possible. Keep those hips steady. Focus on those low abs. Neck in line with your spine, look forward. You got it, ladies, pull. Come on, squeeze it for 3, 2, 2, one more each side, come on, pull, pull, and down. Whew. All right, all downhill from here. We just got those roll-ups. You can do it. I know you can. Lay all the way back. Remember, one bone at a time, lifting you up. Find that tall spine, one bone at a time, rolling you down. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Press and down. Press and down. Find that mind-body connection. You should be in control of this movement the whole time, meaning you shouldn't have to hoist yourself up and you shouldn't have to plop down onto the ground. If you are doing either of those, get rid of that weight, practice without it, and you will get stronger in no time, I promise. You got it. 5 more right here. Press shoulders down away from those ears. You can do it. 4. 3 more. Press. 2. Last one. And down. Whew. Oh my gosh. Awesome job, ladies. Let's roll it on over. Take a little Cobra stretch. Stretch out those abs. They did a lot of work. Shoulders away from those ears. Maybe you lift up onto those hands depending on your flexibility, but no crunching in that low back, remember. Make sure you're getting that ab stretch here, so scoop the belly in, reach the chest forward, and then bring it on up. Sit those hips back, find a nice little child's pose, and then thread one arm underneath. Get a nice little thread the needle stretch for those shoulders. Big inhales and exhales, get that heart rate down. Bring it back and switch. Deep inhales, long exhales. One more breath. Bring it back through the center. Bring it all the way up. Whew. Stand on up. And then let's do a little quad stretch. Bring one hand to those shoelaces. Take a deep stretch in the quads. Keep those knees glued together. Core strong here. Squeeze through the front of that quadricep here. So you're squeezing that leg in towards you. One more breath. And then switch. Core strong still. Press that hip forward. Squeeze that leg in towards you. Knees glued together. One more breath. And down. Amazing job showing up today. That's the hardest part. And remember, you can always get an amazing workout in just a short amount of time if you really focus and target those muscles. I'll see you next time.